hate to say that expense management, and thank God we're not traveling so much these days, is still one of the most dreaded activities in corporate life. And what we're doing here is not just to give you a mobile offering where you can snap an image of a receipt. We take that to the next level with what we call, for example, intelligent document recognition. So you snap a picture of a receipt, might be as crumpled up in your pants, but it's something where we can detect very quickly, okay, Ronald has been typically staying at a Hilton hotel, and the typical spending pattern looks like that. Now the bill looks like it's a Hilton bill, but it looks somewhat different. So we adjust to formats very quickly and learn from that one, but we can also see anomalies in your spending patterns. If all of a sudden you have upgraded to a luxurious suite and you haven't done so before, there might be something that you want to explain yourself. So typically what we tend to do as soon as we detect an anomaly, we parse all of the information into the experience, being it through chat, being it through SMS, whatever you prefer as a channel here, and ask you relevant questions. So, hey, Ronald, we see that you had a very expensive dinner here, which is not typical for you. So either you were super hungry or there must have been someone else in the mix. You might want to explain if there was another one in the mix. If you say, yes, oh, I recall that was with my business partner, or it was with a client. So if it was with a client, the next follow-on question might be, was it public sector client? Because I mean, then a different set of regulation kicks in. So we want to make that very smart in detecting based on information entered and avoid that later on in the office, there's any hiccups, and make that so super simple that it becomes a no-brainer, right? So it's one of our big investments to really make sure that the mundane, the drudgery gets weeded out, and machine learning helps a lot to really see, okay, can we learn, is that a normal behavior for Ronald, or is that something where we might want to ask a follow-on question that once Ronald is back in the office, he doesn't have to do expense reporting anymore. Those are the type of scenarios that we're seeing.